want to be, and wealthy here we are. Some may say we are totes crazy, YouTube fabulous stars. Boosh!
We're the Thogersons, and we're here in Minnesota where we'll be visiting my brother and his wife, Chip and Gale. They're going to give us some outside education and entertainment information.
Yes. We are excited. Let's go find Chip and Gale. Where's Chip and Gale? Come on. Popsy, what are these yellow things on the ground? We don't have these home.
I don't know, but I have found that this wedge is very good at removing them from the ground.
How do you do that? Show me.
I'll demonstrate. You gotta make sure you hit down on the weed. And as you can see, perfect removal. So where do you think we might find your father, Chip?
Well, he's usually in the biffy. Let's check there.
I say, who is it?
It's your brother!
One second, please.
What are you doing?
Oh, wait! I say, old chap, you don't want to go in there now.
Oh, Father.
We ran out of toilet paper again.
Oh, no. You always do that.
Yeah, I'll wipe later.
To chop wood?
No, Chip has not. Chip, do you chop wood?
On occasion. You want to pick the very center of the log to split. You must have a very good eye.
Oops.
I'll try it. Good eye. Out eye. Out eye.
I didn't want to do that.
Woo!
This is how Popsy chops wood.
Now you need to know just a couple of things. You need to make sure you're visible. Much like this young lady is.
See this orange
Blaze
vest?
orange. There's sometimes hunters out and they will shoot you if they see that you are camouflaged. So you want to be seen.
What else might we want?
There are these things we call ticks up here in the North Woods. They're a very small bug, very small, and they will crawl on you. And if they stay on your skin long enough, they will bite into your skin. And then they will give you Lyme disease. Very bad. You do not desire the Lyme disease.
We do not want the Lyme disease.
No Lyme disease.
Because nobody's got time for that.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Where do they like to go exactly? Do they like go in places like, do you have to check like
They like to go in those private areas that you must check on your own each evening.
So you're saying we just gotta like check our orifices in our crevices in our body
Yes.
and our neck.
Holy crap! What is that?
What? There's a bulge.
That's the
What is it?
that's the biggest tick I've ever seen.
Oh, honey, it's a gigantic tick. I think it's infected.
I think you might die.
Well, get it off. How do you get it off? It's got to be.
We need to get the tongs of life.
I have tweezers. I have some tweezers.
These are typically good for the smaller ticks, but this one is huge. As you can see, the tweezers are not large enough.
I thought it was a mole.
Found the tongue.
Ah, the tongs of life. You must squeeze it and then yank.
I don't know. What's gonna happen when
Just
you
hold
remove
still,
it?
Popsy. Just hold still.
Let's see. Oh, this is the biggest tick I've ever seen.
Hold still.
Oh, look at that. It even got some of your skin.
Oh,
Oh, man. Somebody's going to have to suck the venom out of that sucker.
somebody's.
Anybody?
Somebody have something we could put on Popsy's neck?
I've got.
No, you have to suck the venom out.
Oh no!
Mumsy.
Mumsy has to suck the venom out?
Maybe not. It's
I
okay.
don't think that's a
We
very
ain't got
good
time
idea.
for that. Let's
Okay.
just put a bandage on there or something. It was
I think the bandage-
oozing.
ooh.
It's raining. The
We
moisture
better
from
get
the
some
rain.
lubrication
Oh my
on that.
gosh.
We've always got time for lubrication.
It is raining. Perhaps we should go on the porch to finish this.
I need a hat for my head.
Perhaps we should go on the porch. Let's go on the porch. I'll get your bag, Lulu.
What are the symptoms if you have a tick bite?
It's
I'm
raining
feeling
like
a little
crazy out
woozy.
here.
Sometimes walk like a Walmart shopper after 3 a.m. Yes, much like that. You will lose complete control of your bowels. Which reminds me, I haven't wiped yet.
Biotic.
Nope, none of that.
Antiseptic
I
cream.
believe Poopsie needs to be put out of his misery.
No, please no.
I'm gonna die, aren't I?
No, you'll be okay. I think Chip got the tick out just in time before it killed
Well,
you.
he said I'm gonna lose complete control of my bowels.
We'll just have to get you a colostomy bag.
I knew we shouldn't have come on this trip.